Have you ever wanted to use ChatGPT, but then saw that ChatGPT Plus price tag and thought, yeah, maybe not today. You're not alone. Lots of people are looking for ways to use AI without paying monthly. And guess what? There's actually a way to use ChatGPT for free with almost all the features of GPT-4. No shady stuff, no weird apps, just a clean, safe public tool that works right in your browser. You don't even need to create an account. Just type your question and get a smart, fast answer. It's kind of crazy that it even works, but it does. So, what's the catch? Well, it might not stay free forever. These things can disappear overnight. That's why I'm showing you this now. So you can try it, use it, and maybe even bookmark it before it's too late. Alright, here's how to use it. Go to merlio.app, sign up, and you can use ChatGPT Pro for free. Now let's move on to the next website. The name of the website is chatgpt.org. You can visit it and use ChatGPT Pro features without signing up. And now, let's get to the secret code I told you about.